Hello, my name is Ines Fahil, and I'm super excited to be here with you today to share my story and this opportunity with you. So I am a physician who also has a master's in public health in biostatistics and a master's in finance and master's in business and finance. And I've used those skills over my career to develop financially sustainable and profitable business models for healthcare, for clinical interventions that also improve health outcomes. I'm here with you today because I enrolled my son as a kindergartner in Muskegon Public School Systems and saw a huge and desperate need for food waste management solutions. What's interesting about this is it hits home for me because I actually grew up on a zero-waste sustainable farm in New Mexico and immediately saw the connection between building financial and sustainable models together with creating an opportunity for Muskegon schools and public school systems to actually have a viable business model while contributing to their community. So I'm going to go through this with you today. All right, schools discard thousands of pounds of food daily. And we have an opportunity through Plantwise Academy in collaboration with Muskegon Public Schools to turn this into not only a sustainable model for improving and reducing landfill waste, but also improving the lives of the academics of the students involved. How are we going to do this? We have a business model that actually creates a composting framework. So think about it like a catalog for schools to choose from to build out anywhere from a small on-site composting system to partnering with large-scale composting facilities in their areas to bring forward a shared revenue model whereby employers partner, purchase greenhouse gas offset credits, and also utilize the landfill and the avoided landfill compost into their own landscaping uses for their school systems. This is a revenue-generating business model. I have a lot of facts and figures to back it up. But really, the component of this is we're also developing a workforce that can be trained and certified to actually be the workforce for this in the future. So partnering with Muskegon Public School Systems and their innovation academies, we are able to bring real skills building to the students, certify them in this as a workforce training program, and then plant them in all of the different areas, employer partnerships, and other partnerships across Michigan, and also we have interest in other states like Wisconsin and Minnesota. How does it work? We're developing the workforce through the students, utilizing the students in the Skills Academy. Muskegon Public School happens to be a Henry Ford Innovation Center, and they have a Skills Academy for hands-on learning. What we do is we develop small-scale on-site composting activities for the students to work and train in, certify them, but also partner with local large-scale composting facilities to truck compost to those, generate compost from the food waste, and develop compost to sell and use. So there's cost offsets from the use of the school's compost in their own landscaping, replacing their landscaping materials costs, partnering with employers to do exactly the same, and also partnering with employers to purchase offset credits through a system and a calculation that we've developed for this program. The revenue share is really with the large-scale compost facilities because the school can buy back the compost from the facilities at a discounted price, sell it to the community, develop partnerships with employers within their community, and have a revenue cycle that continues. What we need. So this is an expense and revenue model, but it has a lot of potential for profitability. A 3-year model with a profitability anywhere between $18,000 and $123,000. That's after all of the costs are consumed. We have a lot of partners. I myself am a convener alongside John, my partner. This will be owned and operated and run by Muskegon Public School Systems, our school partner. We also have quite a few compost and sustainability partners, but we're looking for more. And we have a ton of advisors that have helped us with not only the business model, the financial calculations, and the revenue generating model, but also advising us on the composting sustainability going forward and the expansion and scalability to other states. Why Muskegon Public School Systems? They are a minority and they're underserved and often overlooked as a workforce for these types of activities. And what we're asking for, we need $100,000 to build this framework, the catalog of options for school systems, and the ability to expand and pilot in one school system to work out all of the kinks. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.